Hi everyone, Little Yellow Yarn with me, Deborah Lee. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I know I am. I came on here to talk to you guys about how to make a slip knot. So, crocheters and knitters rejoice. For all of you beginners, fear not. Let's learn how to do a slip knot. So, I don't use my crochet hook. I know there are people who do right off the bat. I just use my hands. I'm just using a worsted weight yarn. Of course, you're going to use whatever your yarn project is asking for, your crochet or knitting project. All right, here we go. Least dominant hand. Your palm's going to be facing you, thumb up. You're going to grab your yarn and you're going to place your thumb on top of it just to hold it or secure it. Go ahead and wrap it around your hand. And I like to use 3 of my fingers. You can use your whole hand to start with. For me, it's just easier to use less fingers because I want my slip knot loop or the hole to be a little smaller. So I use my 3 fingers, as my kids would say, mommy finger, brother finger, and sister finger. Alright, so we're grabbing it on with our thumb on our palm. We're going to wrap it around our 3 fingers. We're going to make an X where our palm is, and we're going to bring it on top of our fingers. Alright, now pay attention to this part. This is what makes your slip knot. You're going to take the piece of yarn that you have in your dominant hand. You're going to stick it underneath that first strand that was placed snugly on your fingers, and you're going to pull it. You see it's kind of like a capital letter A. You're going to pull it to where you have a nice piece of yarn sticking out from underneath, and turn your hand around to where your palm is facing you. Grab the tail of the yarn, and you're going to grab the piece of yarn that is connected to your skein. Okay, so you have 2 pieces in your least dominant hand, pinching off with your fingers, and with your dominant hand you're going to keep on pulling that loop out. You're probably thinking, oh my gosh, that's such a huge loop. Don't worry, this is what a slip knot is all about. You can adjust this loop to the size of your hook. So at this point you just pull these strands apart and you can see that that loop gets a lot smaller. Okay, and I'm just going to grab a hook. Here I have a 5.5 millimeter aluminum hook. It doesn't matter, for what I'm doing it's pretty arbitrary, but depending on whatever your project is, go ahead and grab the size you need, and you're going to stick your hook into that hoop. There we go. And you're going to make it almost as small as your crochet hook or your knitting needle, okay? And I say almost because you want to have room for it to move around. You want that hook or knitting needle to move around easily. Make sure it's not tight on there, because if it's too tight you're going to have some problems when you go to make your chain, okay? Alright guys, so hopefully this video has helped you understand how to make a slip knot. If you guys think it has helped you, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for all of my latest crafting videos. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!